Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this time, we will to discuss and review one of the article from the inventory management, and this is the last for our assessment in our campus. So, the title of the article is Material Requirement Planning, Goods Replenishment Application for Demand and Inventory Planning using Data and Analytics. This is the abstract from the paper. This article discusses the importance of a replenishment system for demand and inventory planning in managing the flow of goods along the supply chain. A good system can prevent human error, increase efficiency, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. This article will focus on the application of material requirement planning to overcome common problems in manufacturing and small to medium companies. MRP aims to manage demand items, increase inventory turnover, and reduce costs. This article will identify the key feature of replenishment system for the oil and gas industry based on MRP. From the paper, we know the introduction. The oil and gas industry relies heavily on timely availability of goods, free from defect and the lowest total cost of the ownership to prevent costly overstock. One of the main challenges faced in the trade of demand. Uncertain and fluctuating demands is often caused by external factors that are difficult to predict, such as in global oil price and geopolitical condition. Uncertainty makes procurement planning more complex and require adaptive and responsive strategy. Warehouse space that is not optimized is also a challenge of procurement planning. A warehouse that is not properly organized can use inefficiency in storing goods, which ultimately increase operational costs. Emphasizes the importance of effective inventory planning and control to optimize the use of warehouse space and reduce costs. To overcome this challenge, improvement in the organization internal process are needed. Thus, an effective stock level strategy can be formulated to achieve the desired procurement planning result. States the material requirement planning can help a formulation this strategy by providing a tool for better inventory planning and control. And the last, this research was conducted to develop and implement a more efficient and effective procurement planning tools, which can help organizations in the oil and gas to overcome existing challenges and achieve their goals in the terms goods availability, quality, and cost. And then this is the methodology. This research methodology in this article involves several key steps designed to develop and implement efficient procurement planning tools. This methodology can be divided into three main application layers: data access layer, business logic layer, and presentation layer. And the first, data access layer. This ensures that the data entire is accurate and up-to-date. Accurate data is critical for effective procurement planning because data errors can lead to wrong decision in inventory management. And the second, business logic layer. In this layer, algorithms are calculated according to the rules set by the supply chain organization within the company. This layer function is the brain of the application, where all calculation and decision related to procurement planning are carried out based on available data. And the last, presentation layer. This layer displays graphical visualization, export data for further analysis, and sends data to external system for further action such as placing purchase order for required parts and quantity according to material requirement planning. So from the article, we know that there are three layers for the application in this method. This is the result. The result of the research showed that the procurement planning tool developed has success in increasing operational efficiency and reducing operational costs in the oil and gas industry. Some of the main results achieved are the first, excess stock level reduction. This tool helps reduce excess stock level, which in turn increase inventory turnover and reduce carrying costs, and then improve service level. By using these automated tools, higher service level can be achieved, which is especially important in the oil and gas industry, which require high punctuality and reliability. And third, real-time implementation. Developed application can be implemented in real-time or near real-time in large organization, enabling rapid response to changing demand and market condition. And the last, surplus redistribution analysis. This tool also provided surplus redistribution analysis, which help in overall inventory replenishment planning, thereby increasing efficiency and reducing access to levels. So, from the paper, we know the implementation from the method can success because can to improve surplus level, real-time implementation, and the last surplus redistribution analysis. And this is the result we can see in the article. This is the result from the paper, from the research. We know there are some of the results. The first, replenishment our area for the goods replenishment planning tools, other analysis for the goods replenishment planning tool, and the last, file material transfer management for the goods replenishment planning tool, and then manual forecast for the goods replenishment planning tool, and then excess redistribution analysis for the goods replenishment planning tool. And then we can discuss the discussion from the research. One potential disadvantage of MRP is that implementation can be difficult, time-consuming, and expensive. Many businesses face resistance from employees when trying to implement MRP. The key to successful implementation of MRP is providing training and education to all affected employees. It is important to identify personnel whose power base will be affected by the new MRP system from the start. The way to increase employee acceptance of the MRP system is to adjust the reward system to reflect production and inventory management goals. And then this is the conclusion. This article explains how demand, inventory, and replenishment planning tools can be designed for central operation, increasing efficiency, reducing excess stock, and increasing inventory turnover. By using these automated tools, higher level of service can be achieved, especially for the oil and gas industry. The application developed can be implemented in real time or near real time large organization such as the oil and gas industry. Further research is needed to determine whether this approach can be used for the other supply chain operation. And the last, this is my opinion. This research is very relevant and useful, especially for the oil and gas industry, which has unique challenge in supply chain and inventory management. This research provided insight into how implementing material requirement planning, system, and replenishment application can increase operational efficiency and reduce high storage costs. And then one of the most interesting aspects of the research is its focus on real-time data integration and ordering process automation. They show that with the right technology, company can respond to changing demand and market conditions more quickly and accurately. This is especially important in a dynamic industry like oil and gas, where timelines and reliability are crucial. For the last, this research also underlines the importance of access to stock redistribution analysis, which not only help in replenishment planning but also reduce excess stock level and operation costs. This shows that the developed tool not only increased efficiency but also provided added value in the form of cost saving. So, material requirement planning is more important in inventory management. But we must know that there are many problem when organization to implement it material requirement planning, and one of the problem is cost, and then technology the other, and then this is the last from the our from my presentation. And thank you for friends and the other people, and see you in the next video. Bye.